If your home feels cluttered, no matter how often you tidy up, the problem might be how your space is organized, not how much you own. Small, practical organization tools can quietly transform closets, kitchens, and everyday storage without changing your routine. In this video, we're looking at simple home organization solutions designed to help you create more space and keep things easy to find. 1. If you've ever struggled to carry multiple items in one trip or deal with bulky carts that take up too much space, this kind of solution can help. The Inspired Living Collapsible Ultra Slim Pack & Roll is a two-wheel utility cart designed to make transporting items easier while folding down slim when not in use. It features a telescopic handle for adjustable pulling and a sturdy design rated to hold up to 80 pounds. Finished in black, it's suitable for everyday hauling needs at home, at work, or while running errands. 2. When closet space runs out, or you need a flexible place to hang clothes, a rolling rack can make daily organization easier. The Hamda Rolling Clothes Rack with Hooks is a standing garment rack designed for indoor use in bedrooms or laundry rooms, offering a simple way to store and move clothing. It features a hanging rod for coats, dresses, and shirts, side hooks for items like hats or bags, and a lower luggage-style shelf for shoes or folded items. Made from carbon steel and mounted on wheels, it's built to roll smoothly and stay practical for everyday storage, whether for home organization, temporary setups, or shared living spaces. 3. When shower shelves start feeling crowded or bottles keep slipping off the edge, wall storage can help keep things organized. The Vacant Shower Caddy 6-pack is designed as a no-drilling, adhesive-mounted set of shelves for bathrooms, kitchens, or other indoor spaces. It features an advanced rust-proof design, large capacity racks for holding shampoo and soap bottles, and includes a soap holder for added convenience. The wall-mounted setup is meant to keep everyday items within reach while freeing up counter and floor space, making it useful for shared bathrooms, families, or anyone looking to organize personal care and household essentials. 4. If hats tend to pile up on shelves or get crushed in drawers, wall storage can make them easier to organize and see. This 2-pack hat organizer for baseball caps is designed as a wall-mounted hat rack that uses strong adhesive, so there's no drilling required. Each organizer features a multi-layer design that can hold up to 18 hats, helping keep caps neatly displayed and within reach. Made to mount on walls, closet doors, or bedroom spaces, it offers a simple way to store and display hats while keeping them off flat surfaces and maintaining their shape. 5. Bathrooms can feel cluttered when everyday items don't have a dedicated place, especially around the sink area. The Tokshimi 16x20 medicine cabinet with mirror is designed to combine a bathroom mirror with built-in storage to help keep essentials organized and out of sight. It features an aluminum cabinet body with a tempered, frameless mirror front and adjustable interior storage to fit items of different heights. Finished in a silver tone, this cabinet is made for bathroom use and works well for storing toiletries, grooming items, or daily necessities while keeping the space looking clean and functional. 6. If your car trunk tends to get messy with groceries, tools, or everyday gear sliding around, a structured organizer can help keep things in place. Well, the HomeEve Trunk Organizer is a collapsible car storage solution designed to organize items neatly in your trunk. It features a multi-compartment layout with 2 main sections, reinforced handles for easier lifting, and a foldable design that stores flat when not in use. Made from sturdy 600D Oxford polyester with waterproof material, it's built for use in cars, SUVs, and minivans, helping keep trunk items contained and easier to manage for daily driving, road trips, or family errands. 7. Bathrooms often run short on storage, especially when towels and toiletries start taking over limited cabinet space. The Utex Bathroom Storage over the toilet is designed to use the vertical space above the toilet to keep everyday items organized and accessible. This above-toilet storage cabinet features adjustable shelves to fit items of different sizes and double doors that help keep contents neatly tucked away. Finished in an espresso color and made from engineered wood, it's built for bathroom use and works well for storing towels, personal care items, or household essentials in smaller or shared bathrooms. 8. Moving or storing bulky items like clothes, bedding, or seasonal gear can be frustrating when boxes are hard to stack or see into. The Taily Extra Large moving bags are designed as a clear, heavy-duty tote option for storage and moving, offering an alternative to traditional moving boxes. This 8-pack features large capacity bags with a visible window, so contents are easy to identify, along with wraparound handles that make carrying and lifting more manageable. Built for space-saving storage, these bags work well for organizing closets, transporting household items during a move, or storing items neatly at home for a wide range of everyday needs. 9. Shoes can quickly clutter an entryway when there's no dedicated place to store them neatly. The JXQTLINGMU shoe cabinet with 2 flip drawers is designed to organize footwear while keeping it out of sight in smaller living spaces. It features 2 flip drawers with mesh doors that allow airflow, along with adjustable shelves to accommodate different shoe sizes and styles. Finished in a white, rustic farmhouse look, this small shoe storage cabinet works well in entryways, hallways, or living areas, offering a practical way to keep shoes organized while blending into a variety of home decor styles. 10. Finding a way to organize books and decor without taking up too much space can be a challenge, especially in smaller rooms. The Vitello 5 Cube modern bookcase is designed as a 3-tier cubby storage organizer that can be used vertically or horizontally to fit different layouts. It features 5 open cubes with shelf heights up to 12.8 inches, making it suitable for most books, decorative items, or storage bins. Made from engineered wood with a waterproof finish and designed for floor mounting, this bookcase works well in bedrooms, study rooms, or living spaces, offering flexible storage and display options for a variety of everyday needs. 11. Reaching items in deep kitchen cabinets can be frustrating when things get pushed to the back and hard to see. The Antowin expandable pull-out cabinet organizer is designed to turn standard cabinets into slide-out storage for easier access. It features a pull-out drawer design with an adjustable width to fit different cabinet sizes and a 16.5-inch deep frame that helps organize cookware, dishes, or pantry items. Made from carbon steel and stainless steel with a 3-layer steel structure, it uses an adhesive installation designed for cabinets without a lip, offering a practical way to keep kitchen storage organized and accessible for everyday use in a variety of home setups. 12. Storing extra bed sheets and blankets can get messy when stacks don't stay organized or are hard to identify. The Storage-tastic 4-pack. Bedsheet closet organizers are designed to keep bedding neatly stored and easy to sort inside closets or on shelves. Each foldable storage container includes a clear window and label so you can quickly see what's inside, along with sturdy handles for easier lifting and moving. Made for sheets, duvet covers, and blankets, these containers are built to stack neatly and fold down when not in use, making them a practical option for organizing bedrooms, linen closets, or shared storage spaces in everyday homes. 13. Keeping blankets, toys, or laundry contained can be tricky when you want storage that looks neat and fits into everyday living spaces. The Kakame Large Blanket Basket is a woven storage basket designed to hold items like blankets, pillows, baby laundry, or toys in one easy place. Made from cotton rope with a soft woven construction, it features a roomy 20 by 13-inch size and built-in handles for moving it between rooms. With its neutral white and brown design, this basket works well in living rooms, nurseries, bedrooms, or laundry areas, offering a simple and flexible storage option for a variety of household needs. 14. Reading from thick books or cookbooks can get uncomfortable when you're constantly looking down or trying to keep pages open. This adjustable book stand and book holder is designed to support books at a comfortable viewing angle for reading, studying, or cooking. It features height adjustability, a 360-degree rotating base for easy positioning, and extendable page clips to help hold pages in place. Made as a wooden reading stand with a stable base and built-in mini storage, it's suitable for use on desks, countertops, or workspaces, making it useful for students, home offices, kitchens, or anyone who regularly reads from physical books. 15. Keeping track of daily medication can get confusing, especially when the doses are taken more than once a day. This 7-day extra-large pill organizer is designed to organize pills for morning and evening use throughout the week in one clear system. It features separate AM and PM compartments for each day, with an oversized design made to hold larger pills, vitamins, or supplements. Labeled lids help make each dose easy to identify, and the compact weekly layout keeps everything in one place, making it suitable for adults managing daily medications, supplements, or anyone who prefers a clear, organized routine. If you want to learn more about any of the items you saw, you'll find the product links in the video description. Feel free to check them out only if they fit what you're looking for. And just so you know, this channel may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.